Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am sharing with you an interesting product, the StylPro Makeup Brush Cleaner and Dryer. I've been using this product for the last 5 years, and I wanted to share my experience with you. Plus, I will be showing you how to use it. The product consists of the StylPro bowl, a stand with 8 flexible silicone brush holders, and the StylPro device. So, let's get started. I will first show you how to use it. For demonstration purposes, I will clean my liquid foundation brush. First, I need to choose the right brush holder, one that is tight enough to hold the brush and is closest to the width of the brush. Then, I attach it to the StylPro device, which will spin the brush during the cleaning process. Finally, I need to fill the bowl with the StylPro Makeup Brush Cleanser solution, and we are ready to start. This liquid is sold separately, and for the best results, it is recommended to use nothing else for cleaning the brushes. Also, it should not be mixed with water. At the cost of $17.19, it is quite pricey, so I'm always careful not to use more liquid than I need. Before starting the device, dip the brush into the liquid a few times. On the official website, it is said that you need around 10 seconds of spinning for each brush, but in reality, it is more, especially with a liquid foundation brush. If the liquid cannot reach the top part of your brush's bristles, you have to tilt the bowl a little bit during the cleaning process. After cleaning, keep the device spinning and lift the brush a little bit for it to dry. Again, according to the website, 10 seconds should be enough, but in practice, it needs more. As you can see, after the first cleaning, it doesn't look completely clean. I will test it on a handkerchief. It leaves some residue, so it needs to be cleaned one more time, even though I cleaned it for a longer period than specified on the website. So, I am cleaning it again in the same liquid I used before. It looks better now, but still not completely clean. The second handkerchief test is better, but there is still some residue. It is harder to reach the upper parts of the bristles, but as I said, the liquid is quite expensive, so I try not to overuse it. Anyway, even though it is not perfect, the brush is now much cleaner than before. Now let's talk about the experience of using the cleaner. It might not seem like it, but the device really shakes your hand hard while it is on, so much so that you can feel a bit of numbness afterward. Also, when you want to turn it off, the shaking makes it hard to push the button. Additionally, expect to have to clean your surroundings a bit after cleaning your brushes. Even though you are using the StylPro bowl, some of the liquid mixed up with the residue from the brush can end up around the bowl, so make sure to use it on a surface that is easy to clean. When it comes to cleaning a powder brush, the procedure is exactly the same, except that I now have to use a bit more cleanser liquid, since this brush has much longer bristles. In an ideal scenario, both brushes would be cleaned better if I filled the bowl with enough liquid to cover the entire length of the bristles. But as I mentioned before, this doesn't really pay off. On the other hand, cleaning the powder brush is easier than cleaning the foundation brush, since powder comes off much more easily than liquid foundation. You can see this in the handkerchief test. There is not a drop of powder residue on the handkerchief after only one cleaning. So, it depends a lot on the type of makeup you apply with it. One of the good aspects of this cleaner is its long battery life. It uses 2 AAA batteries. I have been using this cleaner regularly, and I absolutely don't remember the last time I had to change the batteries. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the brush cleaner comes with a set of 8 brush holders, which cover a wide variety of brushes you can clean with it. The smaller eyeshadow brushes are really easy to clean with this cleaner, and the cleaning time is likely according to the specifications from the website. You can see how this eyeshadow brush is clean after the first cleaning. This cleaner really excels at cleaning the smaller brushes, especially the ones that are used for makeup products that are more powdery. You can clean all these brushes in the same liquid and even add a concealer brush into the mix since it is similar in bristle length. As you can see, the liquid looks similarly dirty as it did after cleaning the foundation brush, but now we could clean multiple brushes. We talked a lot about cleaning the brushes, but what about cleaning the bowl? Each time you clean a brush, you need to clean the bowl. And to do that, you have to remove the top part so that you can pour the dirty liquid out. Only wash the bowl with cold water and soap to avoid melting or deforming the plastic parts. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I truly hope you found this video helpful and insightful. Please subscribe for more similar content. Let me know in the comments what you think about this cleaner or an alternative you are using. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.